My name is Adrian Alvarez, working here in Saudi Arabia for 14 years. My work is executive assistant to the CEO and the executive management. So I came from in the Philippines from Cavite and Quezon province. My inspiration to work here in Saudi Arabia as an overseas Filipino worker is my two kids, my daughter and son, and also my wife, and especially also including my family, my father and mother. So I have a plan also na talaga magkaroon ako ng business natin sa Pilipinas. Yun talaga yung pangarap ko. Pinupus ko rin is talagang magkaroon ako ng starting plans about sa business sa Pilipinas.